Hey guys, it's Jeff, and we are just 1 day away from WWDC 2019. You could say hours, and there are even more leaks of iOS 13. This one comes from Ben on Twitter. It's actually a photo of iOS 13 running on an iPhone 10 style device with a new Volume HUD. So this Volume HUD obviously looks slightly different than what we have now. It looks very different, but it looks very similar to what we have now in the Control Center. Now, if you take a second look at that photo, it looks very unpolished. It intrudes with the top icons there in the top right-hand corner, where you can't see your battery icon, LTE signal, and everything like that. So it looks very unpolished right now, but we should be expecting a new Volume HUD indicator within iOS 13. Now, if you don't like this Volume HUD indicator, maybe it's just a little bit lackluster considering we've already seen it in the Control Center, let me know in the comment section down below. Let me know how you want it to look and where it should be placed. I know there's a lot of different preferences, left, right. Should you be able to customize where it comes up? That would be super awesome, but very unlike Apple. Let me know in the comment section down below. I'd love to get your opinion. But anyways, guys, thank you for watching this kind of short update video on what we should be seeing in iOS 13. If you are super excited and you just can't wait for iOS 13, leave a like on the video. I want to know if you guys are actually looking forward to iOS 13 tomorrow. If you want to stay up to date with iOS 13 and kind of the beta process as it goes along, we'll be giving you guys all the new features, changes, and everything like that on the channel each week that the beta comes out. So go ahead, get subscribed, and also hit the bell button to get updates as soon as those videos do come out. You will not want to miss out on those. If you want to get more involved with the channel, follow me on Twitter. I'll be giving more updates on kind of all content that comes out on the channel. There will be a QR code on screen, so just go ahead, follow me there. I'm getting a little bit more active there, and I'd love to see you over on Twitter. So thank you guys for watching this video on a leak from iOS 13. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your weekend, and hopefully we'll be seeing you in our content tomorrow. Also, join us for our live stream. It's on tomorrow. So anyways, guys, again, enjoy your weekend, and I hope you all have an awesome day. Peace.